Come with us to Baguio.
Living lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Just know if I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind, would you still?
Hindi, I'm English. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something.
Today is December 6, my birthday.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
My first time talking sa vlog. Today is December 6, my birthday. And walang ganap. Come on, guys.
Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Johnny? Is it Party?
That's my ganap for my birthday. Gala lang kami. With mother. Uwi na siya, Biko. Kain muna kami, guys. Gonna eat. Good day, Mariel. Kain lang kami, guys, sa food hall.
We can live in a song on the radio. Too busy trying to find that blue asshole. I let my black hair go and my weed on. And I sweat too much on the regular. We gon' let them hits fly, we gon' let it go. If it ain't next door, then it gotta go. I just won a new award for a kid show. Talking about a face coming off a bag of blow. Goddamn bitch, I am not a teen trust. Goddamn bitch, I am not a beach boy. Whip thing, make a nigga.
Come with us to Baguio.
Ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci. No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a
Hello, vlog. Aray! Mag-ayos ka.
Balik na tayo. O si sweater ko. Yan. Ikaw, Ruchi, pag nagreklamo ka, sabi ni King K.
Na-stress na ako.
Oo. Huwag ka reklamo. Oo.
Yung stroller. Hindi na siya mapakali. Good mo. Papa. Ang pinutla ko. Ay, lipstick. Ha? May agyan kita kung kayo. May mga...
Si Jason.
Souvenir.
Bagay man?
Kuripot sila, guys. Ayan! Uy!
Nanda, jogging na lang.
Parang nasa Korea si mother.
Yan, hutaw ya. Maikat. Maikat ko mila kasi.
I said, hold up.
Vlog.
Hi guys! Kakain na kami guys. Finally. Mahaba ang nilakad. Pagod ka ba sa lakad mo?
Yes.
Ikaw?
Hindi naman.
Tony Talks?
Catherine, ano ba?
Wala pa akong tulog since kahapon. So magto 24 hours na. Guys, kakain kami. Tapos check-in kami 11. Tulog muna. Dami.
Oo.
So guys, today, stroll lang tayo. Ano oras tayo mag-check-in? Wala. Alas 2. Grabe, ang lamig pa rin. Gusto kong matulog guys. I want to sleep. Pero hindi pa. Kasi mamaya pang to. So, ayun.
Ito pa rin po ang mas pinalakas are here.
So cute. Wow, this is so cute, guys. Okay. Ganda dito. Lager? Siyempre. Yan.
Hi! Ate Lala! Hi! Ate ko pala yung mga mahal ko dyan sa buhay. Hi, jowa ko, Julan!
Ano pong masasabi nyo dito sa Baguio?
Hindi, English. Okay, bye. Thank you. Next question.
You know guys, yung vibe dito is para ka nga sa Taiwan.
Para naman tayo magjowa dyan.
Wulu. Wulu ka pala.
Anong vibe mo ngayon, Mariel? Sa iyong outfit? Ay, anong style?
Streetwear. Streetwear. Pero serious. Serious. Pero legit talaga. Ang ganda dito. Na malinis.
At malamig.
Malamig.
Oh, Carlo, magkay kayo, Carlo. Yes, talaga. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa Baguio, sir?
What the fuck you doing?
Artista yan. Spicy. Feel na feel niya guys. So guys, magsisimba muna.
Be no earthly undertaking hinder those who set.
So guys, nag-start na yung mass. Nakaupo lang kami sa labas.
Therefore, having been
Since it's so crowded na.
Bye, have a great time.
Baguio no. Aksidente yan. Ayun, yan ba yan?
Mag-drive po. Nagkakabubuhan ako. Ako ka maniwala dyan. Crowded. Asan pick? Dalawang puso ko tag-isa tayo. Wala guys, sumaandar na tayo. Di ba, bunggo yun sa Tagalog? Naliligis dapat siguro. Sinasagasaan. Yun, sinasagasaan kasi ako guys. Kaya hindi maganda ang aking experience. Mga bata, rascal mag-drive. Magayon patulan. Ay, magnet din siya. So yun guys, sasakay din kami sa mini Vikings. Ano to? Ba't may pulubi dito? Pumayaran ko na
Meanwhile,
The wheels on the bus go